If you want to zoom in or zoom out on the timeline, this is what you do with both fingers. You either put them together or you either push them aside, and you will see better what you have and what you don't have on your timeline. Now I'm going to just do something to show you, to demonstrate to you what can be done with the different video clips. Just in this case, I'm going to quickly cut these videos in a few pieces to show you something. Now let's say I want to move this second video clip, I want to put it in the end. I will just go and grab it and move it to the end, see? Or I want to grab this one and move it at the beginning. Like I said, the video making in CapCut is like puzzles. It's very simple and it's very user-friendly. So now we talked about how to insert music, how to insert the text. We're going to talk about how to record your own voiceover in the video. We'll go to the text, we'll go to the audio, and in the end of these features you will see one that's called record. We're going to say record a voiceover, and we're going to press it. This is how you can, for example, record your voice while you're watching the video. We're right now recording voiceover for this video to test. And when you're done with it, just press again and say, let's hear what we recorded. We're right now recording voiceover for this video. So this is what happens. We got a file, an audio file that we can now move. We can change it the way we can change other ones. We can reduce the volume. We can make a fade. We can voice change. We can enhance the voice. We can even do the vocal isolation. So this is also a very, very interesting feature. You can play around with it and you will see how interesting it is.